Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to easily add realistic objects on to your photo using AI. No complicated tools, no advanced editing skills, and definitely no Photoshops. We're going to do everything using Google's Gemini Nano Banana. And the results will look clean, sharp, and super realistic. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. And if you haven't logged in yet, just simply sign in using your Google account. And then once you're inside, just look at the create image. This one, just tap on it. Or you can also go to tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same way to activate the Nano Banana. And then this feature will let you edit or transform the photo by using prompts. And then next, just upload the photo that you want to edit. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this and then just tap on done. And then next, let's come the very important part. We need to write a clear and detailed prompt in here because I'm using a photo of an empty kitchen with a dining table, but no food on it yet. So in here I will just type a prompt to add a realistic full breakfast set on the kitchen table. So I will just type the prompt like this. Just describe the objects that you want to add to the photo clearly on the prompt, and remember, the specific you are, the better and the more realistic the result will be. Next, after typing your prompt, just simply tap on generate like this. And okay, like this, just like this, the AI will add the objects directly into your photo. Like on here, as you can see, the breakfast looks like it was always there. The lighting match and the shadow are natural like this, and everything blends perfectly with the kitchen. And also, it looks sharp, realistic, and professionally edited, all done by AI. And the next, if you are not fully satisfied, just don't worry, you can easily tweak the prompt, like maybe add more details or regenerate the image. You can even try different objects, different food styles, or different lighting moods. And okay, maybe that's it. It's super easy, right? With Google Gemini Nano Banana, you can add realistic objects to any photo in just minutes. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!